どうも、mochanです。今回は英語フレーズだけ一気にサクサク口慣らしをするレッスンです。日常会話で使う英語58フレーズを声に出してリピートしてください。日本語訳付きのリピート練習をご希望の方は動画下説明欄に日本語訳付きのレッスンのリンクが貼ってありますので、ぜひそちらをご覧ください。それでは最後までやりきってください。どうぞ。
Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Let me think about it. Let me think about it. I don't feel like it today. I don't feel like it today. Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Take the train heading towards Tokyo at platform number 2. Take the train heading towards Tokyo at platform number 2. You should take the Sobu line to go to Chiba. You should take the Sobu line to go to Chiba.
Do you have a garden? Do you have a garden? Yes, I have a small vegetable garden. Yes, I have a small vegetable garden. I have a few trees, but nothing edible. I have a few trees, but nothing edible. Just one moment. Just one moment.
May I have your number, please? May I have your number, please?
I want to help, but I'm busy. I want to help, but I'm busy.
May I call you back? May I call you back?
Hey, I want to ask you something. Hey, I want to ask you something.
Do you take a shower every day? Do you take a shower every day? Do you know where it will take place? Do you know where it will take place?
I use the Ginza line for my morning commute. I use the Ginza line for my morning commute.
Hey, want to cook together? Hey, want to cook together?
Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling.
How does this taste? How does this taste? It needs a little bit of salt. It needs a little bit of salt. It's too spicy. It's too spicy. Oh, look out! There's a bee flying around. Oh, look out! There's a bee flying around.
I use security cameras to protect my home. I use security cameras to protect my home.
Can I ask? Can I ask? Oh no, it looks like it's going to rain. Oh no, it looks like it's going to rain. Oh, don't worry. Oh, don't worry. Just one moment. Just one moment. Tomorrow is burnable garbage. Tomorrow is burnable garbage. I don't want to go to work. I don't want to go to work. Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what? I guess so. I guess so. You're joking, right? You're joking, right? Hey, you said you were free this weekend, right? Hey, you said you were free this weekend, right? Oh, right, now I remember. Oh, right, now I remember. I can't remember my password. I can't remember my password. Oh, by the way, could I get your phone number? Oh, by the way, could I get your phone number? That's okay. I didn't want to go anyway. That's okay. I didn't want to go anyway.
Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting.
So, how was the hotel? So, how was the hotel? It was nice, but a bit expensive. It was nice, but a bit expensive. It was cheap, but the location wasn't very convenient. It was cheap, but the location wasn't very convenient. What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert? I love brownies with vanilla ice cream. I love brownies with vanilla ice cream. My favorite dessert is apple pie. My favorite dessert is apple pie. What's your house made of? What's your house made of?
Hello, this is Tanaka speaking. Hello, this is Tanaka speaking.
Do you want to take a taxi there? Do you want to take a taxi there?
Excuse me, may I see your passport? Excuse me, may I see your passport? Certainly. Certainly. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Are you taking notes? Are you taking notes?
I want to visit Taiwan, but I can't this year. I want to visit Taiwan, but I can't this year.
Shinagawa is that way. Shinagawa is that way. You should take the train bound for Mitaka. You should take the train bound for Mitaka.
Excuse me, can I smoke in here? Excuse me, can I smoke in here? I'm sorry, smoking isn't allowed inside. I'm sorry, smoking isn't allowed inside.
今回もこれで以上となります。今回のレッスン気に入っていただいた方はぜひいいねボタンをお願いいたします。まだチャンネル登録してない方はぜひチャンネル登録もお願いいたします。それではアディオス。